doing here? Your call is...
Yes, Mum.
Oh, Lenny, Jack told me that you threatened to assault him. Is that true?
Oh, goodness, no. I would never lift a finger to anyone. Well, I couldn't even if I wanted to. During the Blitz, my arms were pinned under a dead horse for a week.
Liar!
Jackie, please. The poor woman got her finger stuck in a horse while she was blitzed. You have really sunk to a new low, lying about this poor, dear, translucent woman.